my friends. So yes, this is going to be another interesting series of videos of niche research for Merch by Amazon, and this is kind of special and interesting because now I thought I'm going to make videos of niche research month by month. So that's mean month basis. So on this current video or this current series of video, I will research for niches that will be trained during the month of May. So we are researching them 1 month ahead in April, so you have enough time to research them, design them and upload, and give some time to the Amazon to index your uploads. So yeah, so in April I'm going to do niche research for designs or trends of May, and in May I will do niche research and find the sub niches for you guys that will be trained during June. So yes, this way I will continue. I hope to continue this kind of series videos of niche research. So yes, without any further ado, let's continue to this video. All right. So before starting with the video, I would actually like to say sorry because my mic quality is not that great. I used to have a good mic, but now I am on a vacation. I'm out of my home, but still I'm creating videos for you guys because I promised to continue my videos after March 20. So I'm using a lower quality headphone, and that doesn't provide great quality of audio, but yeah, please pardon me on that. But hopefully I'll get back to my home and create videos with perfection from the next go. So yes, to search for the parent train niches of May, I actually came here to this site that shows each events of each and every day of the whole month. So you can see from 1st May to 30th May we have some events names here, but we won't go for each and every of them. We will pick some of them and note them here in this Excel sheet, and then we will use our previous method that I used to show you on last year, that is Google Trend. And using Google Trend we will actually filter the parent niches and choose 5 or 6 best of them, and then we'll go to actually Amazon and look for some sub niches, low competition niches out of those filtered niches, right? So let's start. You can see on 1 May we have Law Day, Loyalty Day. Now let me mention something. I will read through them and won't pick all of them. First of all, I will pick some of them out of my feeling. So this is something you also have to be used to it, by doing research and design and research and design, you will also get the same feeling that I used to do currently. So let's go. So I will pick the no, not this one. I will pick the Asian Pacific American Heritage Month into my note as the first pair niche. So let's pick this here, and the date is obviously May 1. So that is 1. Give me a minute, I'm just sorting or indexing this. Okay, so on May 1 we have Asian Pacific American Heritage Month, and then we have Eid ul-Fitr, that is a Muslim event, and then we have Teacher Appreciation Day. Obviously I will pick this in my short list. So that is Teacher Appreciation Day, and what is the date of this? It's 3rd May, so the date is 3. And then we have this is a state holiday. Now let me mention something. I won't go for the state holidays, but if you have any interest, you can obviously go for them. So the third one is Cinco de Mayo or Cinco de Mayo, whatever you say. So this is a good niche. I believe I have seen this before, so obviously I will pick this in my short list. So it's May 5. And then we have National Day of Prayer, not is interested for now. National Nurses Day, obviously this is a good one, so let us pick this in our short list. National Nurses Day. What is the date of this? It's 6th of May, so the date is 6th of May. I just hate this noise that is coming from outside of this house. This is the construction noise. Sorry for this, guys, just pardon me on this. So then we have Military Spouse Appreciation Day, not interested for now. Military Explosive Ordnance Disposal Day, not interested. Kentucky Derby sporting event, let's stay away from this now. And obviously we have the Mother's Day. Obviously you all know about the importance of Mother's Day and Father's Day as a niche to work on in your Merch by Amazon account. So Mother's Day obviously will be in our shortlist, and the date is 8th of May. So yes, let's put this in our niche. And I'm sure I will actually don't need to compare this Mother's Day in the Google Trend, because it's a default choice. So then we have Victory in Europe Day, not interested. Then we have these are state holiday, and here we have Peace Officers Memorial Day, still not interested. National Defense Transportation Day, not interested. Armed Forces Day, no. National Maritime Day, let's pick this for a while in our list. And the date is National Maritime Day 22 May. So National Maritime Day, and the date is 22. And then we have National Missing Children's Day, but I'm not sure it's going to be efficient for a shirt, so let's skip this for a while. And then we have Memorial Day. Obviously this is federal holiday, man, so we have to take this in our short list, and that is for 30th May. I guess we are almost at the end of the month list. So then we have Decoration Day, Jefferson Davis birthday. Alright, we have the filtered niches for May. We have got 7 of them. Now what we will do is we will just filter them, or we filter and skip some of them if required. So the Mother's Day is an auto choice. I won't do this in comparison test, but let's also the Cinco de Mayo. Trust me, we don't need to compare this in Google Trend. We'll just compare this first two, and the National Nurses Day and Maritime and Memorial Day. So let's take the Asian Pacific American Heritage Month. So alright, let's search for it. Asian Pacific American Heritage Month. We have some search results here, and that is obviously during May. I'll now just move this to past 5 years. So every May we have a peak, you can see. So obviously this is a good trend, but we actually need to compare the search volume. So let's pick another Teachers Appreciation Day. So put it here, Teachers Appreciation Day. OMG, the Teachers Appreciation Day is just beating the Asian Pacific American Heritage Month by a lot margin. You can see the red curve or red peaks are so high than the Asian Pacific curve. So the Teachers Appreciation Day is the winner here, but let's also pick National Nurses Day. So add it here, National Nurses Day. And the National Nurses Day wasn't that much of interest for the initial 3 years, but on the last 2 years it is also going good along with the Teachers Appreciation Day. So yes, we have interest on this one. And then we have National Maritime Day, right? National Maritime Day. The National Maritime Day is green, and it's kind of this is the lowest competitor here. So also pick the Memorial Day and add it here, Memorial Day. And we have OMG, the Memorial Day is a big trend, guys. We actually don't need to compare it here, so because this is another auto choice like the Cinco de Mayo, Mother's Day and Memorial Day. These three will be our top focus niche, because these three are hot trend and they are actually auto choice to go, and we don't need to compare them in Google Trends. So these three are already our go niches. So I will just make them different color, and Mother's Day obviously, and also Cinco de Mayo. So we have already 3 winner niches here, and we have the other 4 in comparison, but I won't go for all of them because we don't want to spend too much time for just 1 month or 1 day trend. So we'll just simplify them now. Asian Pacific American Heritage Month, I will just remove it because I'm not interested anymore. and Memorial Day we have already picked that, so let's just remove it. Now we have already 3: Teacher Appreciation Day, National Nurses Day, National Maritime Day. And you can see the National Maritime Day is the lowest computer here, so let's just remove it. Alright, so we have Teachers Appreciation Day and National Nurses Day. These two will be the other niches that we are going to design. Let's just remove it. The Asian Pacific Heritage Month, we don't need it anymore, and National Maritime Day, we are good with it. So finally we have selected 5 niches. Sounds sweet. So we have 5 niches to go for, and let's just simplify them. Give me a minute. Alright, we have these niches, guys. So Teacher Appreciation Day, Cinco de Mayo, Mother's Day, and Memorial Day. So now we will be going for sub niches out of these paired niches, because in Mother's Day you just can't go and say Happy Mother's Day, because that is for sure not going to work anymore. And the Mother's Day is a huge niche. We have to go for sub niches, and then we can expect to have some sales. And we can also go for Cinco de Mayo, Maritime Memorial Day. So on the next video I will actually search 2 or 3 sub niches for each of these 3, right? So wait for the next video, next part of this series, and we'll have some sub niche research out of these 3 paired niches. So till then, happy Mars, goodbye, thank you.